In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily share your Instagram post on Snapchat Story. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, you need to open up Instagram app. After that, tap right here to go to your Instagram profile and then select post you would like to share. I'm gonna choose that one. Once the post is open, just tap right here at that icon. And here down below you will find this copy link button. First off, you need to tap on it, and now it says copy it, so that means that we've just copied the URL to that particular post to the clipboard. And now we need to go out of Instagram and open up Snapchat. On Snapchat, first off, we need to take a picture, just like that. And once it is done, in order to add our Instagram post link here, we need to tap at this paper clip button. It says here that Snapchat would like to paste from Instagram. Do you want to allow this? Hit at allow paste. And then just select that widget here that has been successfully attached. Then hit add attach to snap, and what that will do, that will add this kind of preview or sticker to our snap. We can resize it just like that. We can move it around. We can also rotate it in that way. And now we can basically continue editing our snap, like we can add a song here or whatever. And once it is done and you are ready to share it, just hit right here to immediately share this snap as a story. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.